The name of the dish is Pla Sturgeon Prik Ong. Pla will stand for fish, sturgeon is the type of fish, and then Prik Ong is the name of the sauce we're going to prepare today. This one is a typical dish from northern Thailand as well.
Sturgeon Prik Ong is new creation with a luxury ingredient and local curry paste. So normally the Prik Ong, right, in the northern we use a lot of pork, but I use sturgeon because I want to change some taste and the presentation as well. The curry paste is quite strong because I use the anchovy fish as well. The
salty anchovy that we're going to use in order to prepare the sauce are made in a different way than the rest of the Thailand. So the dimension of the dish is in the true flavor of those macerated anchovies and the fact that they're also using a lot of tomato, vegetable, which is part of our organic environment. The sturgeon is selected from a royal project, a foundation that has been created by the King of Thailand in order to maintain an ecosystem and also revenue for the local farmers. So he has developed a lot of fish or vegetable plants.
I like the sturgeon because the salsa was really interesting, but they're so different and unique in so many ways.
We have to use the cherry tomato and big tomato as well to get the sour taste of this dish.
The tomato sauce that we've seen with the sturgeon today, it's very close in its element to a Mexican almost steak with the chiles and the spiciness just brighter with some of the Thai dishes. The use of chicken stock falls very close to what I can use.